Hello and welcome to McKillop Library Online. In this brief video, we're going to explore how to limit or refine results based on an initial keyword search in the CINAHL database. Now, when you first open CINAHL, you may notice that there's numerous options for advanced searching techniques. But this is really more useful when you have more specific types of research that you're working on and can make use of these tools. So we'll explore these advanced searching techniques in a future tutorial. Right now we're going to set up our initial search that we've been working with, emotional intelligence and nursing. Hit the search. Okay, we'll be exploring the filtering tools that are over on this left navigation bar, and just some of the main ones that you'll find most useful. You'll notice that at the very top, this is our current search. So right now we have just our basic keyword search, but we're going to explore some of these tools down here and see how it impacts our results. So the first one we'll take a look at is source types. In this database, you can see that essentially we've got academic journals, dissertations, magazines, also continuing education opportunities. I'm going to select the academic journals filter. We notice how our results are impacted, total results are impacted, and we can see in our current search box that academic journals has now become part of our current search. For now, I'm going to uncheck this and remove this filter so we go back to our original set of results. And we'll explore publication date. Now, you well know that when you're researching in the sciences, having current research is really critical. And so you can use these filters to set up a search, say within the last 5 years. That will limit your results and make sure that you're reading the most current research available. So you can set this up either by typing a year directly into this box. And so in this case, it's 2019, so we'll type in 2014. I could have also used this slider bar to achieve the same result. Now we're down to 306 results, and all of our results should be research that's been published in the last 5 years. Now, a third useful tool is the full text tool. I'm going to click on this here, and you can see it's impacted our results significantly by half, and well over half. Not all of the databases are able to provide full text access to all of the articles in its collection. Sometimes full text is found in another database, and so we try to provide a wide selection of databases here at McKillop Library. We'll talk more about using the Find Full Text features in an upcoming tutorial, but for right now I just want to draw your attention to the fact that in some cases with this filter you'll see a direct access to the full text article via PDF. And in some cases you have to use the Find Full Text tool to go to another database. But again, we'll explore this in another tutorial. So that's how you set up a basic search. And to recap, we've been exploring limiting tools or filtering tools and how they impact our results. We explored the full text option, the publication date, and the source types. Now remember that there are multiple ways that you can contact the library and get help. You can go to our About section on the McKillop Library website and look for our library directory. This gives you an opportunity to contact us by specific departments, or you can scroll down further and find a specific librarian by name. You can also go over to the Help section and click on Ask a Librarian, and that will show you all of the different ways that you can get immediate assistance from a reference librarian during our regular operating hours.